Welcome back. Construction corner number 8. Was great to hear from both Brian, Jeanette, and Jay Myers over the last 2 weeks. Pillar families to our community, told you a little bit more about why they're passionate about this project, and Brian definitely gave you a better tour than I ever had. A lot of updates have gone over the last several weeks. I'm going to show you a couple of the highlights as we walk through this space. You can see that this space has widened out a great deal as we continue to improve the area. The popcorn ceiling that has been completely stripped down, and they are here now mudding and taping to give us a nice clean ceiling space, which we will put new fixtures into. The light rail continues to progress along the outside of the entire interior space. It's going to provide great ambient light that we'll have complete control over for any type of event that takes place here. One of the things that really happened over the last 2 weeks is they took down some spaces for the new sliding doors. Although they're going to be in sections, the inside-outside flow here is going to be amazing. You can see the breadth of what this door will be, basically from where you see any of the wood here. Halfway through this video, wonder what I forgot? Now we can go outside. Come on, let's go take a look. Lots of improvement to this outdoor space. Really excited how it's coming together. You can see the breadth of how high the ceiling is. Of course, we've got coverage for the 6 or 7 days that it rains here in Southern California. You're gonna be able to come into our facility, nice, dry, ready to go. You can see him over here working on the new entryway. The breadth of this space is just amazing with the cross beam that's gonna be able to tie the entire space together. The construction on the Wall of Blessing continues. And we're excited to start to place the Jerusalem stone out here. It has arrived from the Middle East, but like many of the raw materials, is sitting on a boat in a harbor, but we just can't wait to get it here as soon as possible. Stuff's going to continue out here relatively quickly over the next several days as the finishes are put in. We'll set the other set of doors on the other side and just keep moving forward. Come on, let's take a walk and see what's next. So around the corner here, they've started the new scratch and brown. Let's check it out. So you can see here they've started to stucco this walkway leading into the main entry. The entire space that you see, any place like this will all be stuccoed. Not only does it offer beauty, but it offers another level of protection should we need to get behind something out here. Come on. The work on the ADA parking continues. One of the things that we want to ensure is that we're not forgetting about the rest of our space behind us. So while we're only addressing the ADA in terms of construction, the entire lot will be restriped and reslurried. So when you do come back, you're gonna have a nice, fresh, clean lot. I'm gonna like it too. Countertop was just put in. Shouldn't touch it, I can tell that's why they have that there. But again, when you come here, if you have an event in the social hall and you don't want to use the main access, we'll be able to welcome you here for another entry. Like I said, a lot been going on here over the last several weeks. It goes without saying, as usual, lots of people I need to thank. The team out here that's working the construction. I need to thank Brian and Bonnie and Jeanette, our architects. I need to thank our construction committee. I need to thank our capital campaign committee. I got to thank all of our members. Great to speak with you. Look forward to doing so again soon. Have a good one.